Leukorrhea. It is disease of females. It is classified into two categories: physiological and pathological leukorrhea. In leukorrhea, there is vaginal secretion, which is watery, colorless or milky white, and there is no smell in it. But in pathological condition, the coloration is changes from milky white to yellow and the greenish one. The foul smelling, especially fishy smell, is produced. The causative organisms are pathogens, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and the parasites. The causative factors are sexually transmitted diseases, excessive alcoholism, and in some cases there is history of smoking. There is malnutrition, deficiency of the calcium and the vitamin D and zinc, minerals, diabetes, history of diabetes. These are the various main factors, and especially the misuse of the contraceptive devices and the unprotected sexual intercourses and the multiple sex partners. Symptoms: there is itchiness, burning and painful situation and sensation in the genital areas, especially during the intercourse. There is dysuria, constipation, anemia, fatigue symptoms, myalgia, arthralgia, and the anxiety neurosis. Diagnosis is done by the culture sensitivity of the vaginal discharge to detect the suitable antibiotic and the antifungal drugs. Protection is necessary because the hygienic hypothesis is necessary for the patients and the normal females to avoid this distressing and troubling disease, because it may lead to the complications like infertility. So, but the process and the habit of douching the vagina should be prohibited and discouraged, because these produces which are used with various commercial products that damages the normal flora of the vagina, which produces the protective functions. You can use loose cotton underwears, lukewarm water for the hygiene and washing the private parts. In addition to this, the fresh water excessive amount should be taken, and the fresh vegetables and the fruit that must be added in the diet to maintain the the requirements of the body for calcium, vitamin D, folic acid, vitamin C and vitamin